Okay, this is our team from Micromark, and we're going to look at the FLUX product, the Beamo. We've got John, James, and our master maker Donald here. Donald runs our laser cutting machines in the back, does all the designs for the kits that we make, and basically runs our whole manufacturing operation here at Micromark. We used to sell literally thousands of these Beamos. We understand that from FLUX that they've made some big improvements, and we're excited to see what those improvements look like. So we're going to do an unboxing here and look at what has improved with the Beamo machine. Donald, you got the honors.
All right, here we go.
What do you see?
From first sight, it looks securely packed.
Is the packaging changed?
These cardboard inserts on the inside, these are new. They were on the outside of the pallets, but not the inside of the box.
Gives it some more frame.
Yes. And it looks like all corners are covered by those. You have your styrofoam. These look to be the same. Alright. As the user manual, it's a lot thicker than it was before. It's like it has a book for a warranty and a quick guide.
People like that quick guide because they want to just get up and running right when they get it.
So the quick guide looks like how to plug it in, how to connect the duct hoses in several different languages.
Okay.
Warranty, several different languages. This is definitely about 3 times thicker than the last one. Looks like there's some maintenance checklists and charts, which are an addition. Different recommendations for different software. Customer service contact information. This definitely looks like there's larger pictures and more detailed maintenance instructions.
There's also a QR code right here that you can scan. I guess it says to get started. So there must be some instructions online that you can go to right away.
Yes, that'll bring you directly to the website. That was in some of the later models of our Beamo, but not in the initial ones. Alright, I'm gonna lift this up if you guys could get rid of the box for me.
Sure, we'll pull it towards me.
It's very manageable for one person to handle. A lot of laser cutters you definitely need 2, but this one is definitely one that you can handle by yourself. Well, looks like the door looks like it's attached a lot better than the other one. There used to be a problem with the plexiglass breaking where it was connected, so a lot of the tops didn't make the trip over the water. So that's better. So here's the duct hose. Seems similar to equal quality. Little FLUX logo on it. Okay, let's look in the toolkit.
Is this similar to the toolkit
It looks to be the same. They're giving you an Ethernet cord, which they didn't give you before. You have your funnel, which was there. You have your dongle, which was on the last one. Your hose clamp. Sticky tape for your hose. Sample piece of wood. And it looks like a little Beamo token or a pog of some sort. Just to show you what it can do in front. You have your oil. It's very important to keep your rods lubricated. And we have your Allen keys for maintenance and your wrench. get under here.
These are all the same, right?
Yeah, they're all the same. Now on the larger models, there's just a door actually that opens up, so the larger models it's a little easier to get access to the motherboard.
Yeah.
With this in here, I found a lot of the problems from the previous Beamos is I had some touchscreen issues. So I found myself replacing a lot of touchscreens.
Hopefully they
Or
open.
advising or sending touchscreens out to be replaced. Now, if you're familiar with computers, it's going to be very easy to understand in there. Everything pretty much just goes in the motherboard. The pumps, the fans. That's where it gets all its power.